This compact rolling walker is perfect for traveling. It's going to fit easily into your car. I was given this product to review by the company, and I've tested out some of their walkers before, and I really liked them a lot. This one, when you open it, you've got everything all laid out. Comes with the manual and even some grease here for the wheels. So with the walker, you do have a walker bag right here, and this just attaches right to the sides. You do have a lot of space in this bag. You can either put it right here in the front and it just clips right on, or you can put it right here in the back too as well. That way you have options for accessibility. So if you're in front of your walker, you could just go right ahead, open it up, grab your keys. Instead of having to reach all the way over, this is going to give you more stability so you can grab all of your items. These walkers are good for heights from 5'2" all the way up to 6'5", so you can use this for a variety of heights. And to change the height, you're just going to loosen up on this here, and then you can raise the handle just like this. And then these locks right here, these are going to prevent you from changing the height of the walker. So once you have it set to your height level, go ahead and lock it. But for us, we're going to bump it down to about 4, lock it, and then be good. Same thing on this side. We're going to bump it up to 4, turn this knob, lock it, and then we're good to go. Now, no matter what, the height won't be changed. This back piece here is going to give you some stability while you're sitting on the walker, give you more support for your back so that way you don't topple over this way. Now, to use the walker, you can go ahead and squeeze these brakes to hit the brakes so you won't move, or you can press them down to lock it, so that way the brakes also activate as well. And then to sit on it, just turn and have a seat. You do have this support of the strap right here to give you some comfort. And it's also going to prevent you from falling backwards. If you didn't have this here, you would tip right over. I also like these here, these two little knobs that extend out. These are reflective, so that way they'll shine with light. So if a car is coming, they'll be able to see this easily. The wheels, when you get them, they are going to have some cellophane on them. So you can go ahead and just take that cellophane off. Now to fold up the walker, one of the nice things about this is that when this is in the setup position, it's not going to fold or collapse upon itself. The way that you have to do that is you have to push up on these two levers here, and that's going to release it. Now you can go ahead and easily pull up and then just collapse it upon itself. So that's really nice and simple. And then to lock it again, you're going to pull out and then just give it a push. You'll hear it click, then you're good to go. Then you can go ahead and sit on it and use it the way that you would like. The stability is nice. You'll have 4 wheels, so it's going to be easy to move over a variety of terrain. So you can see that with the walker, the wheels aren't getting caught. You're able to easily move through the grass. Even if it's tougher or thicker grass like this, the wheels are moving just fine and you're not having any issues. This has a curb assist function. So if you get to a curb, you're going to be stuck. But if you put your foot right here on this pedal, you can bump it up and bring it right up. Bring it down. Then you're good to go. Compact that is literally almost about the size of this large suitcase right here. It's about 24 inches in height. So this can easily go in an airplane on the overhead bins. This can easily go in a car, backseat, doesn't have to be the trunk. So it's easily transportable, lightweight, is good for individuals from 5'2" to 6'5". I would definitely recommend this walker. It can hold up to 300 pounds. It's really got everything that you need. So I would definitely say, take a look at this walker.